Hello and welcome to another video. So today I have a electric candle lighter. So I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link to it below as usual. So pretty simple. The box shows the lighter. Let's see. Charging for the first time use or unused for a long time. Suggest connect to the charger. Charging via USB. Please disconnect after the charging is completed so that it doesn't overheat. Do not overcharge. Okay, push up the safety switch on the front and then press the button on the front continuously to ignite. It has 10 seconds automatic power off. It has battery status indicator. All right, let's pull it out. Okay, comes with a micro, or actually, wow, this is fancy. Comes with a USB-C charging cable. Was not expecting that, so must charge pretty quickly then. Let's see. Okay, it's fully charged. I think there we go. You just press and hold and you can see it on the camera here. All right, I have this Yankee candle here. Love me some Yankee candles. I'm gonna go ahead and try to light it. Pretty simple. I mean, you know, pretty quick. Didn't have a flame coming back at me and warming up my hand or anything like that. It turned off automatically because it's been 10 seconds, so you just slide it back on. I'm gonna blow the candle and relight it and show you how it works. So turn it on, go inside, and there you go. Pretty quick. This is a really good product. I love this product. I think it's a long reach, so you can reach into longer candle holders and things like that easily. Pretty easy to use. It's battery operated, so you don't have to worry about running out of lighter fluid and all that. Here's the USB-C charging port. It has a little hook in the back to hang it onto a hook or something. The 4 LED indicator. This is fully charged. This is bendable if you need to reach at a weird angle or something. Really nice product and pretty cheap too. I think it was just 10 bucks. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.